It's your girl, Toya Cherie. Okay, so first thing I'm gonna need you guys to do is to subscribe, please and thank you. All right, so I'm gonna do something different for you guys today. Not really different because it's not different, but whatever. So I'm gonna do this wig review, and your girl's gonna sip some wine. Okay, so this is gonna be my wigs and wine segment. Okay, because we love wigs and we definitely love wine. Okay, so I have my wine. Definitely have my wine. It's white wine. So good. Okay, so this segment I'm doing is a review on a wig from Bobbi Boss. And of course, you guys, I just got this from my local beauty supply store, and I think it was about $50 or so. Not expensive at all, so this is something that you can really afford. And this is in the style Journey, and the color is HL613/627. So let me show you that close up in case you want to go and grab it. So a not expensive wig, okay? So we can all slay on a budget. All right, so let's see. This is a lace front synthetic wig, but you can still use heat on this wig. I think up to 400 degrees. 400 degrees. Well, I don't know, it just says high heat, but so apparently you can use heat on it or whatever. Anyway, so it has a deep part. So let me take this out for you guys really quick. Get this show on the road. Okay, so there's a deep part here. You see that? You guys can look. Bam. Yes. See here? There's a deep part. So they've already, I think, there's some few baby hairs that they've already pre-plucked for you here. Okay, so yeah, let's get this wig on. So first thing we have to do is cut this lace, honey, because we don't need any lace. We don't need the lace on here, so grab you a pair of scissors. If you don't know how to cut lace, it's okay. I mean, you know, try the best you can. I would say just get as close as you can to the line, the hairline as you can. Okay, get as close as you can. See if you can see there. Anyway, so yeah, so I'm just gonna start here. You guys can't even see, but get close as I can. See if I can do it here. Show you there. See how I'm cutting it? Doesn't have to be perfect. Nobody's perfect, you guys. Nobody's perfect. Okay, so continue to cut your lace wig. Cut it as, like I say, close as you can. See, I can see how it looks. See that? Yeah. Oh yeah, this lace is pretty good. Okay. Now, a lot of people like to tint their lace and things. I'm gonna tint it, but not with like an actual coloring thing. I'm just gonna tint it with my foundation that I use. Tint it with my own foundation because that works for me. Okay. So, all right, hold on. Okay. Anyways, so got that. Voila. Okay. so let's get started. Okay, so now that we've cut our lace, we're gonna go ahead and put this thing on, okay? For all my ladies, what kind of wine you guys like to drink? Let me know. Right, we're ready. So you can tell that it has a clip at the bottom. It has 2 clips at the top. One here, one right here. You don't have to use the clips if you don't want to. That's your choice or whatever. So, okay, and it also has an elastic band so that you can tighten it as so. So if you have a big head, it'll fit. Okay, or if you have a small head, it'll fit too. I have a small head. I have a little bean head, but I like my bean head. Ah. Okay, anyways. So let's put this baby on. Let's see how this is gonna work. So I like to put mine on from the front and then to the back. So I'm gonna clip in the little clip that's in the back. I'm gonna hook it in to my hair. Push everything back. Okay, so let's see. Ooh, I like it. But first, your girl gotta tint it. So you see the part is okay, right? But just so I can get it to make sure it's matching everything, I'm gonna take my or whatever works for you, but I'm gonna take my why am I having like a blank? Like, do y'all get that when it's just like you have a blank in your mind and you're like, what am I talking about? My foundation. Ugh. Okay, so I'm gonna take my foundation. So let me take this off, okay? Because you have a black wig on, I mean a black stocking cap on, so this is what I do. Show y'all. So I just take the end part and I put some of my powder. Girl's gonna tint it like that. Tint it. Okay. So you can put as much as you want on. Tint it. It gives you just a little bit more of a natural look. Because it's like, you know, same. It's the same as your foundation or whatever. So, okay, so now that we did that, I'm gonna go ahead and throw it back on. Say I put mine from the front first, and then pull it over, bam. Ooh, hot. Okay. Make sure it's secured. It's secured. Right? Ah, Jesus, my nail. Oh, gotta get my nails done. All right. Okay, so you can see that they already have pre-plucked baby hairs. So I'm gonna work with those really fast. We're gonna do it like this. it's also like coming in with my own baby hairs, so kind of worked out good. Using theirs plus mine, it all works out. Right? See that? It like blends really like right in. This is crazy. This is crazy. Y'all, this is a $50 wig. Okay. 50 bucks. You don't have to pay 100, 2, 3, 4, 500 for wigs. You know, you can still be affordable and slay. Okay. And slay. Alright, so let's see. Yeah. So now okay, I'm gonna just fluff it out. Comb it out. It's really soft. I like it. Seems, I mean, it's a little frizzy, but I don't know if that's just how it's supposed to be. Okay. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is go in. I gotta calm all of this down, right? So I'm gonna use my little mango and lime, Jamaican mango and lime spray, just to dampen it a little bit. Oh, it smells good. It smells good. Right? I'm gonna do that. Then I'm gonna go in with my Keep It Curly mousse. All the little flyaways. Okay. This is all the flyaways. Give it a little wet look as well. A little more on. Maybe. I kind of like this wig. Okay. Ooh. Again, it sheds a little bit or whatever, but not too much. But it is a little shady. Okay, so. Okay. Well. Oh guys, I think I like it. What do y'all think? What do y'all think? Y'all like it? I like it actually. I think it's pretty cool. I think it's cute. I like the color. I like how it I mean, cause see, this is like a lot of my baby hair, but like a lot of the baby hair that they had fits right in. It fits right in. You see what I'm saying? So it looks very natural as far as the hairline. I mean, you can barely see the lace on my hair. Can y'all see that? I can barely see it. Anyway, so yeah, it's a little darker on the inside, which is cool. I like that. Hey. I'm going into fall with a little lighter look. I like it. Okay. Anyways, that's it. Tell me what you guys think of the wig, and definitely leave your comments below. I had a good time. I'm gonna have more wigs and wine. Review some wigs, look at them, see if we like them. I like this wig, y'all. I like it. Okay, anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Don't forget don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, guys, love you.